On today's episode, we're bringing you a fantastic, nearly new family home in one of Springwater's premier communities.
Complete with updates and finishes you're absolutely gonna love at a price you're not gonna be able to believe. All that and more on today's episode. All right, Adam, today we're at one of the newest developments that Springwater has to offer. Why don't you tell us a little bit about where we're at?
Yeah, that's right, Deb. This is one of the newest developments in all of Springwater. We're in Midhurst Valley today. And the beauty of this is the location is second to none. You are just about a stone's throw into the north end of Barrie from here. So you get to pay Springwater taxes, yet you enjoy all the convenience of being so close to the north end of Barrie. I'm talking about all your daily amenities from shopping, grocery, we have the Rio Can Center, gas, LCBO. It truly doesn't get much better in terms of convenience. We are also in one of the best school districts in all of Simcoe County here. This feeds into Forest Hill Elementary School, which again is one of the most highly sought after school districts, so it's perfect for families. And the beauty of this area, I think, is the access to outdoor recreation. This development is directly across the street from a Club Link golf course in Vespra Hills. We back onto tons of Simcoe County forest. There are hiking, biking, and walking trails that weave through this community. We have a park right across the street from our newest listing, perfect for the kiddos. And of course, we have Snow Valley Ski Resort in the wintertime. So for you skiers, snowboarders, or for tubing for the kids, it's all at your fingertips.
Absolutely, and today we have a stunning, modern, contemporary, nearly new home that features 3 generous-sized bedrooms and is full of updates and finishes you're absolutely gonna love. Plus, it sits on a premium corner lot with a walkout basement. Now let's get inside and take a closer look.
Welcome inside 58 Beerberry Road. Now, as we mentioned outside, this Geranium-built 2-story home is nearly new and has some truly impressive features and upgrades that your family's absolutely gonna love. Now, from the moment you walk through the front door, you feel the size and the openness of this space, and that's because we have 9-foot ceilings on this entire level, as well as a ton of natural light coming in through windows on 3 sides. Now, we have some beautiful finishes here as well. Laminate flooring brings you from that front entryway all the way into this open concept living, dining, and kitchen space. I truly can't think of a better spot to entertain. You have this beautiful kitchen in behind me here with large quartz island, quartz countertops, as well as a tile backsplash, stainless steel appliances, and then that overflows beautifully into the living space here where you have a gas fireplace, views of the golf course, and also out into your backyard.
The upstairs level features 3 generous-sized bedrooms, all with large windows that flood the spaces with natural light. There's tons of storage and 2 full bathrooms, plus upper laundry, so you don't have to take the laundry downstairs to the main level. But the star of the show has to be this large primary retreat that features a stunning walk-in closet and a spa-like ensuite bathroom.
Here we are now in the unspoiled lower level of this home, and it's not often that we shoot unfinished spaces, but I wanted to show you this one specifically because of the possibilities that it presents. As we mentioned outside, this is a premium corner lot, and we have a walkout basement here. Due to the grade, there's massive windows on this level which bring in tons of natural light and do not make it feel like a basement at all. So if you're looking to do multi-generational living and put in an in-law suite, or perhaps you're looking for some rental income, this could be the terrific space to do it. Now let's go see Dev outside for some more.
And a true family home isn't complete without some yard space, and with this corner premium lot, that's exactly what you get. You get the large home with additional yard space for all the 4-legged friends and kids to enjoy. We're the Knowles Woolsey team, and we know Springwater. For more information about this listing and others, check out our website.